Jackson DeVille right here, ready for the grand opening here in St. Johns County, Bass Pro Shop. We have stock cars, we got four-wheelers, we got boats, side-by-sides. We're walking up right now to the Bass Pro Shops. We're gonna be taking a look at all their new products and vendors. What do you think about Bass Pro Shops opening up in St. Johns County?
I think it's great. It's every redneck's dream to have Bass Pro right down the street, and now we got it in St. Augustine.
Just like Gene and Roy singing those campfire songs. Oh, I should have been a cowboy. Yeah, I should have been a cowboy. I should have been a cowboy.
I've been here now for a couple hours and they just opened it up, but I got to get a little bit early access into it. But here we go, we're gonna go ahead and take a look around. All I gotta say is, wow, I'm actually blown away of the detail they put inside this shop. It's absolutely nothing less than beautiful. I mean, gracious, this thing looks like it came right out of Disney World or something like that. Huge selection of work boots, hiking boots, hunting boots.
So when you guys are headed out on your next adventure, we've got all kinds of styles and brands for you. We got anything from casual to hiking to men's hunting. Mud boots if you're out in the swamps and out in some deep water, whether it's a hurricane. For women and kids, we have the same kind of mud boots. We have hiking boots. We have casual. We have western. So on your next adventure, come on down and see us. We'll fit you in the perfect shoe.
Not to mention all the hunting gear too, accessories that are here. It's entirely all just stocked. I mean, this thing opened up like literally like less than a mile from my house. And I mean, look at all the rods and reels that they have, just completely wall-to-wall packed. I'm here at the bait and tackle area, and I'm going to turn the camera over to one of the specialists. He's going to explain a little bit about what they do over here.
My name is Justin. We're here at the St. Augustine store here in St. Augustine, Florida. Bass Pro Shops just opened up today, November 20th, and this is our home center, this bait and tackle. I'm sure he's going to take you guys around, see the big bait and tackle sign. You know, come see us, come get your reel knowledge, come get your fishing knowledge here at St. Augustine. We do all kinds of line spooling. You know, you purchase reels here, we spool them up for free for monofilament. Get braid, you guys just have to buy the braid. If you bring in reels, we ask you just buy the mono. We don't charge you to put that line on. But aside from that, we're just your spooling central station and selling you reels. As always, thank you for shopping at Bass Pro. We really appreciate all of you guys.
So I'm here over at the Archery Pro Shops, and I'm going to talk to Hannah. She's going to give me a little bit of introduction about what they do over here.
We have a great selection of crossbows, compound bows. We have some recurve bows. We can help you find your draw length. We can help you restring your bow. We can help you if you know a lot about bow hunting. We can help you if you don't know anything about bow hunting. One of the great things I love about Bass Pro Shops in general is that you can walk in here. We can pretty much help you with any questions that you ever have about anything to do with hunting or fishing. Doesn't matter what department you walk to. In the store here, we do have a place where if we fit you for a bow and outfit your bow for you, you could go back there. We can show you how to shoot it, tune it in. We have an archery tech. His name's Wyatt. He's pretty awesome. Everybody's here just to help, so come and shop with us and get to know everything you need to know about bow hunting.
If you're looking for a boat, what better place to buy a boat than Bass Pro Shop? I have Manny over here, and he's the expert right now. He's going to tell us what services they offer over here.
Welcome to our grand opening here at our St. Augustine Bass Pro. We're excited to have you. We're excited to show you what we have in here. Right here, I'm standing next to one of our newest boats, the Maco Silver Star 18 Pro Skiff. Couldn't be more excited to show this to our new customers here in the St. Augustine area. Here at our Bass Pro Shops Boating Center, we've got everything from Maco, Tracker, Regency, Suntracker pontoons, Tahoes, Nitro fishing boats, and the Ranger brands, saltwater bay boats, fiberglass bass boats, and aluminum fishing boats. We offer a full service shop and parts department. We can't wait to see you. Keep us in mind here at the Bass Pro Shops St. Augustine. See you soon.
So in case you wanted to come up here to Bass Pro Shops and pick yourself up a side-by-side along with your boat purchase, you could go ahead and pick from many selections over here. Tell me a little bit about the Tracker.
So Tracker Off-Road belongs to Johnny Morris. It's his brand. We partnered with Textron. Textron builds them right here in Minnesota. So they're US made. They have a US made engine in them. They're 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive. They have a rear differential, great off-road unit. We offer anything from a crew cab 800 all the way down to a 90cc ATV, great for the 10 and up. They come in multiple colors, so any Bass Pro Shops can service your off-road units for you. They come with an 18-month manufacturer warranty, and then you can also do your own maintenance on them and it won't void your warranty.
So you finally bought yourself a boat over at Bass Pro Shops and you want to add yourself a GPS to it, depth finder, or some sort of radar.
Yeah, I mean, here at Bass Pro, you know, when it comes to your marine electronics, we offer the full run of it, from your fish finders here to your trolling motors to your power poles and your downriggers, all that stuff. If you come and you buy a boat from us here, it'll all be rigged up good to go, and then, you know, when you pick it up, you've got a full package ready to hit the water.
Okay, so I'm here with Eric, and we're over here at the Bass Pro Shops, and they actually have a service center where they could actually service your boats, ATVs. They invited me back in. They got gantry cranes ready to go. They got a whole, I mean, this garage is absolutely amazing. So that was a wrap for the night. Leave me a comment of what you would like me to review from Bass Pro Shops.